everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing very well. So on my video today, I am going to talk about tips on how to get a part-time job. But this video is gonna be specifically for Royal Holloway University students. So for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nadia Valerie Salsabila. I'm currently a second-year management with marketing student. I'm also an international student, if that helps with the video. You know, like maybe you feel like you're an international student and you're worried, like, am I gonna get a part-time job here? Yes, you can. I'm an international student. I got it. I'm from Indonesia and I got it. So yeah, let's start, shall we? Before I begin, I would like to explain what sort of part-time job I've done in the past at Royal Holloway. So first of all, I work as security. Number two, I work and I'm still working at the union shop, security and union shop. I work for the students union. And number three, alhamdulillah, I am a student ambassador. Yay! Sorry guys, I'm having a flu right now, so sorry if I'm not being as energetic as I am. So tips. Tip number one is to check this link below. Okay, just check in my description box. It says part-time jobs on campus. You click on that link and there will be a list of departments, different departments providing part-time jobs. You will see one of them is Students Union. They will be looking for students to fill in security jobs, union shop jobs, bar staff. There's just so many, like over there. There's also student ambassador. There's just so many departments. Tip number two, if you don't want to work on campus, there's always opportunities off campus, like in Egham. There's like Tesco, there's Waitrose and all of that. Unfortunately, I can't really talk much about that because I have worked off campus. I did work in Sainsbury's as well, but that was only a temporary job, like during Christmas vacation. But yeah, for those, my tip is to apply online, or you can go walk in Egham. This is what I did, literally. Walk to Egham, hand in your CVs to like every shop you see and hope they can call you back, because I heard some instance where my friends got an email saying that we like your application and all of that. So there's no harm in trying to do that, and try to do that as soon as possible, like when you arrive at uni, because the earlier the better, you know. Okay, so that's for on campus and off campus. Okay, tip number three, make sure that your CV matches the job advertisement. Okay, just read the job, what they want, what skills they want from you, and make those skills on your CV. I can't say much about CVs because right now I'm also stressing about applying for internships, but that's my biggest advice. Make sure everything matches. And my tip in this, go to the Careers and Employability Center, which is at the library on campus, and they have like 2 articles, how to write a CV and how to write a cover letter. So take those, use it as an example, and make your CV and cover letter. Number 4 is the interview stage. My biggest tip here is to be happy, to be active, to be the best version of yourself. Just be positive, be like, I am here for the job, you have to give me the job sort of person, you know. Be friendly, make eye contact with the interviewer. Before the interview, make sure, again, I can't stress this enough, but make sure you read the job advertisement, because while I was being interviewed as security, they asked me what are the values for the students union, and thank God I remembered it. It's something about, oh my god, I've forgotten, but it's basically making sure that we're making sure that, oh my god, this is humiliating, making students' life better, something about that. Just read the job advertisement, guys. If you succeed in your interview, you'll get the job. If you haven't got any experience in the past, that's nothing to worry about, guys. I never did any paid work experience before I went to uni. All I did was organizations, volunteering, and I never had any experience in retail. Even the first time I applied for a union shop, I was rejected. I would like to give a tip and advice that don't take it personally. It's not that you're not good enough, it's just that there's so many applications that they had to cut people off. Even I got rejected, but thank God my manager transferred me from security to a union shop. I didn't get fired from security or anything, but at first I wanted to resign because I personally don't like the job. It's not that the job is awful, no, God no, I enjoyed some parts of it. It's just I'm a very sensitive, softy person, and I'm just sensitive. So it's not the right job for me. And my manager, he understands, so he transferred me to union shop. But yeah, anyways, all I'm saying is don't get offended or don't take it personal when you got rejected. You're just trying your best. It's part-time jobs. It's very competitive. I know most of us would like to go to the best part-time job. Like when I was at my first year uni, I was like, I want to work for student ambassador. I want to work for student ambassador. Well, if you are very positive, that's great. Like, good for you. But I'd say don't get your hopes up, because the better the job is, you know, the more people will try to apply and more competitive. Like, there's no harm in trying, go give it a go. But if you got rejected, don't take it personally. And I'd say start off with jobs which are less competitive. Like what I did, I work as security because I was really desperate. Like I can't even imagine what, like when I applied to it, my friends are like laughing, haha, you as security, you won't survive this. And I'm like, I know, but I'm just so desperate for a part-time job. I need the experience. So that's what I did, and I survived for like a good 6 months. Yeah, I'm proud of myself, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not all that bad. I gained some experience and I've applied it in my life. Like when people push you down or when people stomp on you, you stomp on them back. Like I've become a fighter, even though I'm still sensitive deep down. Another tip would be, if you have any concerns or anything about part-time jobs, you can always go to the Careers and Employability Center. They will for sure help you with that. They will check your CVs, cover letters, and all of that. Another tip would be to attend the part-time jobs fair. Most companies will be there, like Students' Union will be there, Thorpe Park will be there, and some sort of like coaching, teaching companies will be there. So make sure you attend that part-time jobs fair. Have a look around, see if anything suits you, if there's anything that you like. I'm pretty sure you guys will get a part-time job. Like currently at Royal Holloway, we have around 1,000 students currently working part-time on campus. I have 2 part-time jobs now at the union shop and as a student ambassador. If I can do it, if I, an international student, hijabi girl, I don't know, maybe you guys think there's discrimination in the UK or whatever, or at Royal Holloway, but no, there is no discrimination at Royal Holloway. We are a very diverse university. If I can do it, you guys most certainly can. If you guys are interested about my experience working as a security at the union shop or as a student ambassador, please do leave a comment below. Or if you guys want me to talk more specifically anything related to part-time jobs, please do leave a comment below. I would be happy to help you guys out. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, Assalamualaikum.